NVY bullets. Check these out. You got a motorcycle, you got a side-by-side, Jeep, Bronco, anything convertible, anything that gets wet, IP65. They do come as pair. AES power is 50 watts RMS, program power is 100 watts RMS, peak power is 200 watts RMS. We got a sensitivity of 102 dBs. They come with the crossover. They come in white. What more can you ask for? Make sure you guys check out the NVY series. I'm Mr. DS18 and we like to laugh.